How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. What's this dish? Well, it's big meatballs. Massive meatballs with big flavours. It's a flavour heaven. It's got all different kinds of flavours coming from north, east, south, west. Don't know what I'm going on about, but it's got some big flavours, like I said before. It's big.
First, let's make the hummus. Simple and quick. Grab a blender, followed by garlic and tahini. I'm using a spicy one. It just makes the hummus have more tang.
And of course, I use canned chickpeas just to make this dish a little bit more faster. Still delicious.
Add chickpeas. Also add the juice as well for more flavour. Every hummus needs lemon juice, so add that in. And last, add a dash of cumin. Now blitz. If you want the hummus more smoother, add a little water, bit by bit, to get the consistency that you want. Look at that, looks good.
I'm tasting all different kinds of sauces just for new ideas, and the one I'm into right now is Korean food. Gochujang, whatever you want to pronounce it. It's delicious. It's salty, it's very savoury, it's spicy. It's beautiful, and you can have it on anything. Lamb, beef, chicken, fish, you name it, you can have it on anything. And it's fantastic in hummus. It's beautiful in hummus.
This really is to your own taste. Add as much as you want. I like to mix it lightly so I can see all the swirls. Next, the meatballs. I just want to keep these nice and simple and let the grill make them shine. Here I'm using 80% lean ground beef. First, dice onion and add to the meat, followed by the egg. I personally don't like store-bought breadcrumbs, so I just make them myself. They just create a better flavour and make the meatballs more lighter. Next, finely diced garlic.
Normally when I make meatballs, I use Worcestershire sauce, but in this case, and this is my go-to now, A1 sauce. I think you can get it anywhere. I think definitely you can get it in the States. In Europe, I'm not quite sure, but these days you can get it anywhere, Amazon. It is really fantastic in meatballs, really, really good.
After the A1 sauce, add the breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, and mix well.
And of course, you don't have to make large meatballs with this dish. You can make smaller meatballs for more people, but I just think the larger meatballs just work for this dish, especially with the hummus.
Don't pack the meatballs too hard, it will just make them more tough. When the meatballs are made, place in the fridge for about 1 hour.
Of course, you don't need to use the grill for the meatballs, but I highly recommend it. It just takes the meatballs from there to there. It really, really does. But you can just use an oven. I maintain the temp between 350, 375 for about 25 minutes, internal temperature 165. Yeah, but you don't need to use a grill. Just add a bit more smoked paprika on top or in the actual meatballs, and that'll give it that nice smoky flavour. But the grill, that natural smoke flavour in the big green egg or any grill you like, it's amazing.
So for the meatballs, I'm using a grill. This just makes them shine. You just can't beat charcoal. That smell, beautiful. So I cook these between 350, 375 for about 25 minutes. Look at that colour, you just can't get that in the oven, and of course the taste. So take them out, wrap them up in foil to keep the heat. Because the hummus and meatballs are rich, I wanted to make something to lighten the palate and also to balance the dish. Next, diced cucumber, small dice. You can use a bowl, I just chose a plate. So I chiffonaded some lemon balm from the garden with fresh mint. Great combo. Add all to the cucumber, followed by red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice. Mix well with clean hands.
So there you go. It's a simple dish. It's quite quick to actually make, really. You've got the richness of the hummus, you've got the richness of the meatballs, and then you've got that nice cucumber, red wine vinegar, olive oil, herbage, just to lighten the palate, just to balance it, everything out. And that feta just gives it a nice saltiness. It's really, really is a good dish. It really is. Moroccan meets Korean, I would say. I don't know. And cooking the meatballs on the grill makes a big, big difference. But like I said, you don't need to. You can just put them in the oven, 350 for 15 minutes. Depends how big they are, actually. But yeah, so make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe, share, and I will be back for another recipe. Thanks, guys.